What's up? Oh my god. Yo, whoa, bro. How do you even have my keys, dude? You good? No, I just got the keys from your car because your boy, you said this was a spare key and get out of my car. Come on, your boy needed, your key to chill out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Is that from the first drop? Yeah, I saw. Gosh. Water's about to drip, dude. Oh. Bro, I got this Supreme. Oh man, look at all this. All those towels, those are pretty nice. Look at all this water, bro. Hey man, don't be coming in my apartment. Give my keys back, bro. I don't even know why you got it. Oh my gosh, look at all this water, dude. Yeah. Are you gonna clean it up, bro? Hey, the Supreme shower cap though. Shower cap though. And the shower cap. Bro, like you said that you wanted to make YouTube videos. Like every video you're like, oh, I'm gonna come back and you're gonna do all this. Come on, man. Dude, have you even bought any shoes yet? I'm just, okay, yeah, I know I've been trying to make new videos and stuff like that, but yeah, man, I bet your boy's been slacking and every video, I know I've been saying that I wanted to make videos and stuff, but man, it's just been kind of crazy. The life change, I got a new job type of thing, so it's just man, alright, yeah, it's my fault, I've been slacking making videos, but hey, come and sit down, bro. I wanted to show you a clip that I took a while back, these shoes I got, and they've been my most recent cop, and I wanted to show you. I actually unboxed it with my pastor, so let me show you that video. It's on right now.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's on.
I mean, what's on? Hey!
Hey,
is it live?
It's live right now.
I don't think it's live.
It's live. Hey, so this is my guest for today. This is my pastor.
I got the name.
His name is Ron Sidney. Don't forget. He's not really a sneakerhead, so I wanted to get his. No.
You know the sticker on my head, bro?
I wanted to see his opinion on these, and so I'm gonna do the unboxing here.
Ooh, I like it. I can smell it. It smells so good.
Actually, it does have a scent.
Does it for real?
Yes.
All right, let's go, bro.
It might be a little girly for you, but I don't know. It matches your shirt.
So let's see, brother. Right. Ooh, I like it.
So obviously, we got the Jordan 1 box right here, and then. So these are the Jordan 1 Turbos.
Bro,
Turbo Greens.
Can I touch it?
Yes, you can touch it.
It looks like ice, y'all. Like it looks like just pure ice. It feels like ice too. That's crazy.
So what's your first impression of these? And
are you asking me?
Yeah, I'm
these
asking
are
you.
Absolutely amazing, and of course, I recognize that it has the purple laces, and that I think is a great contrast with the light blue color. Okay, that's amazing.
It's called Turbo Green.
See, I don't
Turbo Green. I guess. Okay. Well, is there anything else that kind of pops out and you like it? It's
like the gray soles.
Yeah,
that's
gray soles.
Shit, man. Yeah, it's good quality for sure. Love the white on there with the green swoosh. Okay. Right. It allows the swoosh to pop out. I think that's pretty awesome. Yeah. Now, would you put this?
I would probably just stick with the yellow or the white laces, to be honest.
Oh.
Yeah, it might be, maybe the purple, but not the other green. This one, it might be too much, but.
Got you.
Yeah. So let me give you guys a closer view of the Turbo Greens and.
Pew, pew. Turbo. Sorry, bro. That's my turbo sound.
It's Turbo Top. Do you know what that's from?
No. I do not.
Anyways, I'll give you guys a closer view. Yo, hope you guys like that unboxing. I unboxed it with my pastor. He's not a really big sneakerhead, but I just wanted to do that different experience. This is my living room. I got the shoe wall kind of built up here, couch, my rug, my TV over there, and your boy plays a little bit of golf. But anyways, onto these. These are the Turbo Greens, and these Jordan 1s were pretty much the only shoes that I got really excited so far this year. Boom, these are the Turbo 1s, Turbo 1 Greens. It does have that kind white vibe right here. It says the SP19 Air, and I'll give you guys a closer view on that. And it just has like a little Laker kind of yellow and purple there, and then you got the tongue that's like not really stitched like the normal, but closer to the off-white. We have the tumble leather up top, a little hard, but I'm pretty sure when you start wearing them, they'll get a little softer. And then you got the gray bottoms. And all around, this shoe is just very clean. It has like the midsole that is kind of like, not the pure white, but it's like vanilla. And then you got the uppers here around the ankle area that is the tan. Nice like suede up here. And it comes with the purple and the turquoise lace. I'm pretty much gonna stay with the white laces. It might just be too much for the purple and the turquoise color, but in all these shoes, and all in all, I really like these, and there isn't much that is coming out that's catching my eye. The only thing is obviously in May. The Jordan 4s are coming out with the Nike Air back tab to keep it, you know, the OG, and I'm actually pretty excited. I might have to cop 2 pairs of those. Obviously Jordan 1s, if you've been with my channel for a while, Jordan 1s, 3s, 4s, 11s are my favorites. And yeah, so these are my recent cops with obviously the towel, and hope you guys enjoyed that little skit that I did. I've been kind of planning stuff in my head, and then obviously try to at least make a video per month. How about that? But yeah, I mean, this is kind of like my crib here. I don't know if I'm gonna give you guys the whole view of everything, but obviously the bedroom's over there, bathroom's over there. Nothing too special, and but yeah, these are my recent cops. I did cop another shoe, so that will be another video, and it will be coming in a couple of weeks. So I'm excited for that. You know, let's just say something's off about that shoe. You know. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the skit, this video, obviously, and everything else. So it's your boy Northwest Kicks. You know what time it is. I'm out.
Beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in the cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too.